guys. Just here doing some electrical work, doing some tear down. So I got my tools, I got my brand new drill I've never used before. This is some 3-phase power right here, just temporary stuff. So we're going to tear that down, disconnect it, roll it up for next year, coming up out of there. So we got these, and I'm just going to take the tape off the outside and then unlug these and then pull this out the bottom. Alright guys, so here's the other side of it. Comes through the wall, comes into this panel. I'm just disconnecting these off of the, I don't know the names of these little lug connectors, split connectors, I don't know, but so I got these disconnected, and then I just have to take them off of these 3 on top, and then loosen the lock nut, pull the bottom out, and then take it outside and then roll it all up. Okay, so I'm helping out my friend that I used to work with like 6 or 7 years ago. And this is the drill that I used before I bought my own. Super old school. Thing is ancient. It is a dinosaur. So anyways, this is the drill that I learned how to apprentice on, and gonna drill a hole through the floor, reroute this wire from over there straight under here. So I gotta disconnect this, pull this out, and then re-bring it up through the floor, and then back in and reconnect it for next year. So alright, so we ran into a problem. One of these lugs was stripped out, so I unscrewed it off the board. He just went to take it to go try to find another one. They have this weird like round little thing on the top of it, which you don't really need, so we could just replace it with a regular square chair lug or whatever. But so basically just cut out the end off of the black, and he's gonna go try to find one. And then I'm gonna start taking apart this black cord right there, out of there, which goes to a trailer next door. And then, yep, so see what we can do for this. Alright guys, so I got the cover off. Here's the service here. Just went ahead and unscrewed the 2 hots from the breaker right here. And then the neutral and ground off the, looks like a neutral and ground bar or a shared neutral and ground bar. And then I'm just going to loosen the lock nut, pull it out, and take it out through the wall. And I'll probably have to take the connector off the bottom side of the bowl cord or baloney cord. So then put the cover back on. Alright guys, so here's the other end of the cord right here. Disconnected these again off the hots, neutral and ground, and then I'm just going to pull this out and roll it up. Someone did a nice job in here. Appreciate that, looks good. Alright guys, well, we couldn't find another lug, so I'm just gonna leave this here. This is dead. Connected these back up, reused the hole through the floor so I didn't drill a hole. Just gonna close that up, someone else will take care of that, and move on to the next task, which is pulling this cord, which goes up and under through the floor, and taking it out, rolling it up, and laying it down pretty much like that. So I got the roll of MC, got the cord from underneath the floor, and the other cord, which I don't remember. Alright guys, thanks for stopping by, I appreciate it. Hopefully you enjoyed this little video. Just hanging out with my old coworker. Basically adopted him as my grandpa, so always good to see him once a year. So anyways, yep, just did some electrical teardown today, and then basically there was some other stuff I didn't get to record, but just putting stuff in crates, like some electrical cords and electrical light festoon lighting and stuff like that, little lights on, extension cords and stuff like that. So hope you guys enjoyed. And no Corvette stuff today, but I just want to bring you this, keep you up to date, and do something a little different. So hopefully you enjoyed. I will see you guys tomorrow. Like, this weekend is flying by. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. And thank you guys so much for the support, all the new subscribers, up to like 914, I think. So on the way to 1,000. If you guys want to continue to help me get there quicker, I'd appreciate that if you subscribe and hit the like button. I truly appreciate that. And bigger and better things at 1,000. Giveaways at 1,000, and then giveaway at 250,000 views, which is pretty close. And then another giveaway at 1 million watch minutes, and it's already halfway there, so that'll continue to go super fast. And then so I got 3 giveaways lined up, and also going to shave my beard at 1,000, so be on the lookout for that. But I'll probably wait to do that. If I hit the 1,000 before I go on my trip, I'll probably wait to shave it till I get back, so I don't look super weird in pictures with friends from Instagram that I'm going to meet up with and stuff like that from YouTube. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching. I will see you guys later. God bless, and have a great rest of your day. Peace out.